Nestled on the banks of the beautiful Mississippi River lies one of the largest healthcare systems in the upper Midwest. CentraCare has been serving the communities of central Minnesota for over a century. And today the system includes 8 hospitals, 30 clinics, 11 senior housing facilities, and 8 long-term care facilities throughout the area.
CentraCare supply chain is fairly integrated. We touch all the processes down to surgery. We are consistent reporting structure throughout all of our hospitals and clinics up to one leadership in supply chain. But like all supply chains, we have 4 branches. We have the informatics, procurement, contracting and value analysis, lastly, logistics.
With such a vast operation, efficient and accurate day-to-day supply chain processes are a must.
Originally, we built our old ERP when we were just a single standalone hospital. And so from a structure standpoint, we did not have a system that was configured to successfully integrate a full healthcare system. It was for a standalone hospital. So we were at the point where we needed, from a structure standpoint, to reconfigure, because now we're a multiple hospital entity, many different clinics and small business units attached to it.
We were not able to have all of our different locations on the same technology platform. So we're using different variances, and not everyone was able to have a handheld. And we'd also maxed out our capacity on that technology. We were no longer able to do all the enhancements and have it utilized the way we would like to have it.
Healthcare providers have unique inventory requirements that include managing warehouses, storerooms, supply closets, carts, and various other locations to ensure supplies are available for immediate use to provide patient care.
Our old ERP, we were on a local server, and as a system, they were moving to a cloud-based software. With that, we were going to have to redesign our entire ERP system and build it from the ground up. And during that process, we figured, well, since we're having to rebuild it, we might as well go out to RFP and see what else is out there for a technology standpoint. Oracle Cloud had stuck out to us as a pretty big name in the healthcare environment, and we really wanted something that was a reputable, large company that we could ensure we're going to have around for 15 to 20 years to perform all of our supply chain activities. And with RF Smart, we had selected them as our mobile technology because we felt they paired very well with Oracle.
As CentraCare began their cloud transformation, it was critical to partner with a mobile supply chain provider that allowed them to take control of their supplies, ensuring product availability and giving their supply chain professionals real-time inventory visibility.
The one thing we really liked about RF Smart is there's so much configuration that you can do yourself. It doesn't have to be a support ticket to the vendor. They basically give you this thing called a configuration studio, where if you learn how to use it, you can design any workflow and customize it exactly to your needs. Previously, there was a lot of things, whether it's a custom report, change in workflow, we would have to submit a request to the vendor, then they would have to do it on their side. RF Smart gives you the tools as a healthcare system to make those changes yourself.
So during our picking process here in the distribution area, there's 2 main things that we really find to be important: speed and accuracy. The nice thing with RF Smart is the handheld is very quick. When a team member goes into the handheld and starts using the interface, it's very quick to respond on the touch screen. And also when they're going up to the shelf and they're looking for the item that they actually need to scan, it's prompting them to make sure they're picking the right item. It's a double check, it's a way for us to ensure accuracy, and it's very user-friendly for the team. We're now able to do more dock logging and track that package as soon as it comes on the dock, get it in, and then we're able to do multi-line receiving, which makes it so that we can get multiple packages in, and it increased our productivity on the dock.
RF Smart for Oracle Supply Chain Management Cloud has enabled CentraCare to improve the efficiency and accuracy of day-to-day supply operations. This allows their team to focus on strategic and cost-saving initiatives while reducing the time-consuming setbacks of stockouts, misplaced deliveries, and urgent internal customer escalations.
Originally, this area was ordering strictly bulk quantities, and the cost was very, very expensive. So what we did is we came in and we set up a Kanban, which is a 2-bin system, and what they do is they take out of the first bin. When that one's empty, they put it on top, and then that's what we scan to reorder. And now currently today, we have 8 carts less in here, and the supplies are ordered and scanned daily. One of the things that we learned that was definitely more efficient with RF Smart is that In our other system, we had to scan one, change the amount, scan the second, change the amount, and with RF Smart, we can just scan down and it's super fast, so it's very time efficient.
RF Smart has helped dozens of healthcare providers transform their supply chain into a more efficient and reliable operation, supporting their mission to transform customers and change lives.
The thing that excites me the most about partnering with RF Smart in the future is the way that they're listening to us. It seems like they're really trying to cater their software to healthcare. And healthcare is unique. We move a lot of different things and we have a lot of data points, and allowing us as a customer to tell them that the way that their software could be designed would make our lives a lot easier, and the fact that they're open to making some of those changes based on the voice of the customer, that's the thing that I'm most excited about moving forward with RF Smart.
To learn how RF Smart can help your organization, visit healthcare.rfsmart.com or email info@rfsmart.com.